I was interviewed by two people as the NCR process is, and both of them stem from very different industry backgrounds. But interestingly, they had very soft overlaps with my own trajectory too. They were probably in the same space that I am hoping to be, just not from the same industry. And from the very start, what struck me was that those conversations didn't feel very transactional in nature. When more into that later as to how each of those interview went, but at the base of it, they felt like conversations with people who genuinely wanted to know my story and not just tick boxes because it has to be done. The moment that stayed with me even after my interview was when one of my interviewers asked me about INSEAD's tagline, which is business for good. And honestly, it's not something I'd pondered upon before my interview. So when I was asked, it was the most blunt answer, unfiltered answer that I could practically manage to give. But on the surface, it sounded like it's a fairly standard question. He's trying to ask me something, but what followed was something not standard. I mean, it opened up into this very wide, free flowing conversation, us discussing and exchanging ideas as two people who are generally interested in something together. I wasn't performing an answer anymore, and that felt like exactly the kind of experience or the environment that INSEAD is also trying to hold. So, my interview experience, at least the first one, was very, very insightful. I came back as a more self reflecting person with more insights from the interview. The second, I think, was a typical case of good cop, bad cop. I was deeply questioned on why MBA, why am I doing XYZ things and whatnot, which I think was also great because it was post that interview I was even more stern on my own thoughts that I know exactly why I'm doing this and how I want to be doing this, and it instigated and rooted those ideas even deeper, which is what made the whole experience so much better.